What's going on, guys? 3G Racing here. Not exactly the time I expected to start this video, but we had a little bit of an accident here on the highway, so let's check out what happened. So all the snow out here is melting, right? It's finally becoming spring, and there's a pothole completely submerged underwater. I hit it, broke the wheel right there. It's very bad. Luckily I have a spare that's a little bit bent, but it still holds air. Somehow this one does too, but yeah, just gonna change this out quick, and yep, that's the start to today's video. Alright, y'all, then real quick too, thought I'd give you a quick update on the Camaro, so let's check that out quick. So we have the LS engine right here. Right now we have a 400 cubic inch small block in there. This one should be ready pretty soon. I've never shown you guys this black one here, but we found this one. It has a full cage in it. Let's get over there to that. Full cage, full race setup in here. Everything's pretty much good to go. It has a full built rear end. I love the wheels on this car too, but yeah, we're gonna be tracking it, racetrack, drag strip, everything. So yeah, we just gotta throw the transmission in there, get all the accessories on, and then this will be good to go. We're holding off on the LS for a little bit just because it's gonna take a lot more work to get the car ready, and we wanna have fun with it this season. So we're gonna turbocharge the LS while we're still racing this thing. But yeah, once it's ready to go in, we'll figure it all out. But this is what the setup's gonna be for now on the Camaro. Alright, what's going on, guys? About to head out to AutoZone to get some gaskets for my headers down there. Gonna try to get them on today, you know, get the car a little bit louder, a little bit more pep in its step. So let's see what I can do, and let's go to AutoZone. So this is what the engine bay is looking like now. I've got the cold air intake in here. True cold air intake sits way down in there. I'll try to get some, yeah, you can see it there. It sits right there underneath the headlight, behind the front bumper there. And yeah, I just made a video on that. You can check that out from last week's video. But today I think we're gonna try to get the headers installed here, and full exhaust, all this stuff here. So yeah, let's get right into it. Alright, guys, so the car's all jacked up here, plenty of space underneath. Gonna start taking everything apart, starting with this heat shield here. Then after that, gonna take off the headers, and we'll try to at least get those on today. So let's go. Alright, guys, we have a slight change of plans here. I have to take this fan out, and let me get some light in there for you guys. So I got to take this fan out because I don't know if I've mentioned it in any previous videos, but it wasn't a accident before I got it. So everything's pushed in a little bit, and there's not enough room to get these old headers out. And I figured while I'm at it, I can just take off all these hoses. I have everything draining down here now for all the antifreeze, and I'll put in my Mitsubishi hoses here as well. So guys are getting 2-for-1 special in this video, and yeah, let's get back to work. Alright, guys, so I got the fan out here. I had to take off the front part of the cold air intake, and it was I also had to squeeze that out there with some pliers, but got that out. So there's plenty of room for the headers to come out now from the studs there, so we'll be able to get that done. And yeah, there's all the parts I got laying on the floor over there so far, but we're making good progress. I don't think I'm gonna have this done today, but we'll see. We're gonna keep working, and whenever I get them done, as long as it's before March 21st, we're all good. Alright, guys, so we made a little bit more progress here. Let's get the light quick. That's all out there. I figured, you know, it's going to be tough to get the back, so I'll just take out the intake manifold here. Got the rest of the cold air intake off. And yeah, we're slowly but steadily making progress, so yes, sir. Alright, so I'm taking off the intake manifold here. Let me just show you what bolts you need to take off to get this off here. So there's one there, one there. You need to take off this one here. There's a little nut that goes on here. And then there's that hole, and that hole there. And then you got to get the little ground wire there as well. And we come around here. There's one there, right there, And then you got to make sure you unplug all the stuff like that there. The 4 over on this side right here, I just have them all unplugged there. That red one there. And then I still got to take the bolts off in the back, but it's just the 3 here, the 1, 2, and 3. You can kind of see it there. And there's 2 on the other side. I'll try to get them on the camera here. Yeah, I don't know. They're just behind the throttle body there. So, yeah, and then we took off this bar there. So, yeah. Alright, guys. So I really got myself elbow deep here. I took off the whole intake manifold. It's a lot easier to get to these back rear exhaust manifold here. I think I'm also going to change out the plugs here because I can just lift that up like so, get the plugs out, do all that good stuff. But yeah, we're making good progress. I doubt I'll have the car ready for work tomorrow, but it's alright. There's other cars to drive. So yeah, next time I definitely got to be more careful about what I start getting myself into here. Alright, what's up, guys? I'm gonna give y'all a quick update. It's a couple days later in the morning now. I worked till I didn't get home till midnight last night. I worked all night, but yeah, we're gonna try to get the car done today, tomorrow, this weekend, get some video clips for y'all. And yeah, I'll show you guys where I'm at now. So alright, well here's the full exhaust here. I got it all off. Me and my dad did actually, helped out with that. Yeah, we got that off. I did a test fit for the heads quick here. Flash the light here for you. It all fits okay on here. I was making sure on the back. I just sprayed down with the WD-40 back there, so I'll take those off next. But yeah, here's all the stuff we got to put on here. And yeah, it's coming along nicely. Hopefully I can get it done. I'm very tired though, so we'll see where it takes us. But yeah, it's freezing in here. I don't mean to complain so much, so my fault, y'all. But yeah, let's try to get this shit done today so we can go and have fun with it. All right, y'all. So then here's a quick shot of what I'm seeing under the car here. Just grab this light quick. So all this stuff's out, the fans, headers there, and then we'll go to the back here, which is where the rest of it's at. And right in here, as you can see, nothing's attached to that anymore. I got the heat shield off there, and it's a little bit of a mess down here, so I'm kind of filthy right now. But yeah, so this is what we're dealing with. Just got to get these bolts out here, those there, and the ones up top, and we should be good to get this whole system out, and we'll be ready to go. I just want to show you guys, this is like my new favorite tool right here. So you see this wrench? It acts just like a socket on the bottom, so I can just put it on there, and I can just go to town instead of having to take it off and put it back on every time. I can just keep on turning. So yeah, I think I found myself a new favorite tool. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think down below, but this thing is sick. Alright, then for those of you who want to do this job yourself, I'll just show you guys how many bolts and where they're at and stuff. So there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 you need to get here. You'll need an O2 sensor tool to get all the O2 sensors off, so you got to get that. I took off the upper intake manifold here just because it made it easier to access the stuff back here. You'll need to take off that pipe there, which has 3 bolts. There's also all these clips here that you'll have to get off, which I showed earlier. And then we'll go under the car quick. Alright, y'all, just finished getting the back side out for the exhaust manifold. Now everything's out of the car. We can start putting all the new stuff on, and yeah. And that's going to do it for part 1 of today's video then, guys. Thank you for tuning in. I'll get part 2 out with putting everything back on soon. And thank you, and have a nice day. Peace.